Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the rear bumper for this E-Class 2013 Mercedes. Okay, for this we will gonna need a toolbox with a ratchet and screwdriver. We're gonna need a torch, flashlight, and I will gonna use the electric drill. You can use the ratchet, but I'm using this one because it's a bit much faster for me. Minus small screwdriver and a trimming removing tool. Okay, now I'm gonna go inside. You will gonna need to use this kind of tool, or you can use a screwdriver to remove these two pins. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna remove these ones as well. And with the ratchet and tail mill socket, we will gonna unscrew this screw. Înregistrez cu aia. N-am încercat. Now you're gonna have to use the ratchet with the extension and tail mill socket to unscrew this screw, or you can use an electric drill. I'm using it because it's a bit faster for me. Okay, now we go in the other side. Okay, we remove this one, this cover out, a bit out, and then we remove this. That's it. Okay, now we're gonna go under the bumper to remove the other screws. I'm using a electric drill with the Torx 25 T25. Yeah. Okay, we have two screws in the left side, two screws in the right side. After, we have to remove this screw with the 10 mil and this screw with 10 mil. And easy we remove the bumper, we have to shake like that. Okay, you can ask somebody to help you if you are not sure. Okay, now we have another 2 screws, but from inside of the boot, so we will gonna need to remove this plastic cover to see them. Remove it slowly, so don't break any pins, don't break nothing. Just like that. Okay, to remove these screws, you are gonna need a very long socket, 10mm socket, or as you can see, I modified one. Yeah, but anyway, here you have one here and you have one here, so I'm gonna take them out. Doesn't want to come out, the fucker. Okay, we're gonna remove this one as well, and then with the one magnet I'm gonna pull them out. This one came out. I'm gonna do the same shit on this one as well. Okay, they came out. Okay, and now with one friend of yours you can remove gently the bumper. I'm gonna do this one by my own work because I don't have nobody to help me. Just like this, and this side as well. This one was damaged, so I don't mind pulling the bumper. Okay, in the right side you have this rubber. You have to remove the rubber and you have to pull these 2 wires out, and you have to unplug them just like that. That's it. This is the way how you remove the rear bumper for this E-Class 2013. If you like this video, please give me one like, give me subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. If you would like to make a video for your own car to know how you can remove a part, just comment below and I will gonna do it for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.